We've got some in-furrow applications done with some of our BigYield coat, corn plus zinc, our dry seed treatment planter box applications. We've got some both on corn and soybeans, but also Pavel's going to talk about some of the benefits and why we do this. And we went out there and just dug up a few plants on corn and beans both, and we'll go ahead and turn this thing over.
When you have, when the conditions are not so right, let's say maybe it's too dry, what is happening? The seed stays in the ground too long. It's attacked by the pathogens. Then finally it comes up, but it's weak. Okay? So that's why we need to treat the seed with the seed treatment to improve the germination. Also, what you are looking for, you want a field where you have uniformity.
All the rain that we've had, we had a couple guys that had to replant, and we had some guys that used the BigYield coat corn plus zinc product that did not have to. So that's one of the other things. This stuff shines under stressful an environment. All right, here we got some good examples. These two ears come out of the same field. The bigger ear here had a 3 gallon per acre foliar feed on it. We can see our ear's quite a bit bigger. It's going to yield a lot more. The big difference in these two fields here, they're both organic corn, they're both same variety, both planted at the same time. The field on our left here, I run our broadcast burner through it at B4, and our fifth leaf is our growing point, so we were pretty late on doing that. We want to see if we kill it or not, and we didn't. We lowered our population. This over here, I did some counts on earlier today. We're about 28,000. This side over here, we're around 23,000. We're seeing our ears filled out better on this side. We'll know more after harvest whether that actually gave us a good yield bump. We got a lot bigger ears. They're fuller. The tips are full. On 130 bushel corn, you're at $1,000 an acre profit. You guys, it doesn't look good on the ends because we got some grass pressure here on the ends, but if you walk down that row, that corn's clean. That's cleaner than our conventional corn we use chemicals on.
AgTech, our company, manages all the research here. Everything that's done here, all the testing for all the different companies, foliar testing, seed treatments, in-furrow, anything you can think of that's planted here on the farm, we basically control and manage that. From yield data to in-season crop consulting as well. We're basically in the field every day here. With our farmers, we're in the field every 7 days. So we're pretty frequent with them as well throughout the growing season.